Get ready to ditch your morning coffee for this tastier, healthier, warm vegan drink that is so much better for you. Okay, we will start with a cup of plant milk. I like vanilla almond milk for this recipe. Then we'll add half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice into our microwavable mug. That is essentially cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. Then we'll add 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. You know, pumpkin is great for your digestion, for your immune system, for your skin, for your heart, vitamin A, vitamin C, so good. Mix it together and then put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Take it out, mix it one more time. Don't worry if it's not mixed perfectly. It will get you there. Then you're going to put it back into the microwave for another 30 seconds, and then at this point, the ingredients should all be mixed beautifully together. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This will give our drink some sweetness without any additional sugar. And then if you'd like to sweeten it, I like to add a teaspoon of maple syrup. This natural sweetener even has antioxidants. If you'd like it a little sweeter, you can always add another teaspoon. Mix it all together, taste it, and then see, would you like to put some pumpkin pie spice on the top maybe? Maybe add some more maple syrup. Let me know if you want to try this vegan, refined sugar-free, dairy-free, healthy morning hot drink. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks.